Hey folks, in today's video I'm going to talk about the most important feature of Anstrex that sets us apart from our competition. That is our landing page downloading, aka landing page ripping tool. It is an all-in-one tool. It not only downloads the pages, but it also allows you to edit, customize the pages and deploy it directly on your server without downloading a single file on your PC. You can deploy a landing page pretty much in less than 5 minutes. That I can promise. And I'm going to just show you the demo now and let the tool speak for itself. So let's get started. After logging, the first thing I want to do is to find some good landers. What I'm going to do here now is go to trackers menu and select all from trackers. This will basically identify all the affiliate campaigns and ads, as well as campaigns from performance advertisers. The next thing I'm going to do is just select Rev Content from the Ad Network drop-down menu. So this will just show me the Rev Content ads or campaigns which have some kind of a third-party tracker enabled. Now I'm just going to start looking at some good landers here. I'm going to click on this ad and take a look at the screenshot of the landing page. This looks like a pretty good e-commerce type lander. So I'm going to go ahead and download this lander. And the way to do it would be to click on the download and deploy button here. This brings up a new modal or a pop-up here, and you see only one field in the pop-up here, which is the URL field, and it's already pre-populated. So all you need to do is click on the OK button. So the download has already started. You can see the message here. The message says your download has already started. You can continue to download more pages or click here to see the status. So what we're going to do while this page is downloading is just go ahead and download a couple of other landing pages. Let me go down. I'm trying to find something in health and Nutra space. Okay, this looks like a good choice. So let's go ahead and click on this. Okay, this is the classic advertorial type landing page. And this is a pretty good candidate for doing the demo. So I'm going to do the same process again. Click on download and deploy. The URL is pre-populated. By the way, you can change this URL to whatever you want. You're not limited to downloading this page and this page only. You can change it to whatever URL you want. I'm going to click OK and let the download start. I'm going to do one more. Let's look at this one. Okay, this is also a pretty good lander here. It's meant for mobile devices. So let's go ahead and download this one as well. All right, same process. All right, so I have 3 downloads going on, and let me check the progress of these downloads. I'm going to go into the drop down that is right under my username and select web page downloader. All right. So this opens a new page in a new tab, and you can see that all the 3 downloads are listed here. And as you can see from the status, all of them have already been downloaded. If it was still downloading, you would see a message, downloading message here, and you would not see this edit button. So all the 3 pages are ready for editing and eventual deployment to the server. So let's first start with the first one that we downloaded, which is this one. All right, so this is the page, exactly the way it was in the screenshot. Everything is there, all the images, text, videos, etc., etc. So one of the things that you want to do is maybe change some text if you are promoting a different product, change the pictures. All that stuff is pretty obvious. There is a very well defined toolbar on the top of our editor here, which you can use to do virtually any kind of editing, from changing font sizes to changing text to changing links, etc., etc. Speaking of changing the links, we have a very cool feature in our editor which allows you to change all the outbound links in one shot. And the way to do it is to click on this button, which is labeled Replace href. And what it does is it basically finds all the outbound links in that page and gives you the opportunity to change those links. Now, the first one kind of seems like some JavaScript redirect, which we don't really care about. So I'm just going to put a hash sign here. This is the outbound tracking link of this advertiser, which is using a third-party tracker. And we are going to, I'm sorry, I think it looks like an affiliate link at this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this link. And for now, I'm going to just use Google's URL. And this link here is some kind of a DMCA notice, and it's linked to an outside page. So I'm going to not change this and just leave it as it is. And I'm just going to not put anything in the field here, leave it blank. And now I'm going to just click on replace. So the outbound link, the one that I had put a replacement on, as all the outbound links have been replaced now in just one step. And now the page is ready for saving. So I'm going to click on the save button here on the top left hand corner. When I click on the save button, it has an option to compress the images, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. I would recommend that you keep these options selected. It basically makes your files smaller, and therefore it loads faster when they get served from your server. So I'm going to leave these options and click OK. So now it's optimizing the CSS, images, and JavaScript. And it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for this step. All right, it's already done now. So I have three options here. First option allows me to download a zip file which has all the images, HTML, and CSS in it. The second option is deploying directly on the server. And third is importing it to an outside third-party tool called Landerbolt. And for this demonstration, I'm going to select the deploy button. When I select deploy, I see my server listed here. And for those who are wondering how I got this here, I have done a separate video to show you how to link your AWS server to Anstrex. And I would suggest that you go through that video and tutorial on how to do that. And the link is right now flashing on your screen. So if you are interested in doing this, you can just click on that link and you will be able to see how that's done. All right, so I already have my server selected. I'm going to create a subfolder. Just give it a name, whatever you want, and then start the deployment process. All right, so it's deploying on Amazon server, and as you saw, it took only like 3 or 4 seconds to deploy it, and it's already there on the server. And let's check. So when I click on the check button here, it takes me to the AWS server URL where the page is residing and shows me the page. And there you are, the page in its full glory, and now on your server. Is this awesome or what? Just think about for a moment how much time and money you have saved here. Let's just check the outbound link. There you go. It's linking to Google as we had already specified in our step number 2. All right, so this took me less than 5 minutes to deploy this landing page with my own links, and it just shows you how powerful this tool is and how you can quickly deploy multiple landing pages in very short period of time without having to hire somebody to create the pages for you or edit the pages for you. I'm going to go back to the download section again, and now I'm going to click on the other landing page. This is the advertorial landing page that we saw earlier. Again, it looks pretty good. I don't see any errors here. Okay, so what we want to do now is again change the outbound links to your product link. It could be a tracker link, it could be an affiliate link, it can be anything. So I'm just going to again use Google URL just for this demonstration here, and there you go, you're done. So all the outbound links, and there are multiple outbound links on this page, as you can see from these underlined text, and all of them have been replaced with URL of your choice. So it's all taken care of now. So let's save this. We'll optimize it as usual. Okay, will take about 30 seconds or so. All right, it's done. So let's just check the page by deploying it on our server on Amazon. I'm going to just create a subfolder, and it's done. So let's check if the page is already downloaded and completely. There you are, full page. Let's check the outbound link. Voila. There you go. And you can see that this is our bucket URL here, right here on the top. This is being served from our own Amazon S3 bucket. You can see here. So this is, you're ready to go pretty much. You can just start running a campaign with this lander at this point, assuming that you have your correct outbound link included in this HTML file. All right. So let's do the third landing page again using the same method. I'm going to speed up the process this time to save some time here. In this case, I'm going to show you what the zip file looks like. So I'm going to click on the zip and download button, which will initiate the download of this file. And the file has already downloaded on my PC. And I'm going to open that file in my Explorer here. And as you can see, these are all the files that are part of the zip. And you have all the fonts, you have the images, and you have the main HTML file, all included in the zip. And basically you can just upload this to your server using FTP or any other tool that you typically use for deploying your pages. So that's an alternate way to deploy your landing pages. And I would just to show you that this page is downloaded correctly, I'm going to deploy it again on my Amazon S3 bucket. All right, let's check it. There you go, perfect download. And let's check the outbound link. Should go to Google. Yes, it does. And we are done here. So in conclusion, I have demonstrated how easy it is to create your own customized landing pages on Anstrex within minutes. If you are a performance marketer, this feature is invaluable. You will not find this feature on any other spy tool out there. If you are still on the fence, I'm hoping that this video convinces you that Anstrex offers most bang for your buck. Please take some time and look at some of the other videos in our channel that shows unique features of your Anstrex. I'll see you again. Until then, cheers.